Keep it up. You better impress me. No, I'm joking. This is In the Rain once again by Kura Onigurashi? I could be saying that wrong. Actually, you're playing guitar for this one. Oh, that's cool. Did you like record the track and upload it to Suno? Because I've been messing with that idea in my head. Especially because, you know, obviously, you know, like I said, I've been talking about Rosa nonstop this stream because I've been very proud of her for how she's growing. I mean, not just like as a VTuber, but like as a person, because she used to be afraid to talk to people in the community, and I'm glad she's doing that more. But one of the things she had wanted to do was record her voice singing because she likes to sing, but she doesn't know she can keep perfect pitch and all that other stuff. And I was like, maybe we can upload it to Suno. So I was just curious how that worked. Anyways, on to the video.
Under endless gray, the sky forgets the blue. Every drop a whisper, the things I lost in you. Puddles mirror faces that I barely recognize. Cold against my window like the tears I still.
Did you sing this too, or is it AI voice? I'm not complaining. I'm just curious myself, because the guitar work is great.
The weight inside is heavy, but the rain keeps on falling.
Thank you, F. Harper. Thank you for that.
The rain comes with pain. Sometimes the rain comes to wash away the stains. It soaks the soul, it breaks the ground, but something new is
You're not brave enough yet. That's cool, man.
Can't you hear the sound? Raindrops kiss the cracked earth where the old seeds died. They pull the green from darkness, they don't ask me why. What once felt like drowning now feels like being found. The river runs forgiveness through the places I broke
That's
down.
cute.
And when the thunder quiets to a sigh, the clouds roll back like curtains open in the sky. Every scar the storm left behind begins to gleam. The rain was never punishment, it was serene. Sometimes the rain comes with
Feels.
sometimes
Yes, he is. Oh my god.
comes to wash away the stains. So let it pour until the morning light. In every drop there's healing, in every drop there's life.
Hey, it's Gleeman.
In the rain,
It's Red Veil Jim.
you came to make me.
He's a new creature, all things pathway. That's a good passage. This is awesome, man. It was awesome, really good. It was a bit shorter, I think, than your last one. I could be mistaken, or maybe it just flowed so cleanly, because it did flow very nicely.
Every drop away.
Especially right here. I don't know if this was intentional, but I got big like D&D Skyrim vibes in it. If this has something to do with your lore, I apologize. But imagery wise, it is great.
Puddles mirror faces that I barely recognize.
And also that armor looks badass too.
Cold against my window like the tears I still disguise.
Right here, I liked the turning to stone. It gave me, of course, the D&D like druidic vibes, especially because it breaks. It breaks with a vine. I mean, and obviously, you know, there's could be a lot of analogies I could make to that, but usually when I think of like a vine, I think of like a toxic relationship myself. Do the campfire burning when it's 5 minutes long. I won't do 5 minutes long. Okay, so it wasn't my imagination. It did flow very cleanly. I kind of like the way the vine, I guess, kind of moved through the body and like broke it apart, but then it kind of still like reformed. I mean, that can be taken a number of ways. I don't know what your intention was, but how I take it is like a toxic relationship can like harden your heart, harden your emotions.
Raindrops kiss the cracked earth where the old seeds died. They pull the green from darkness.
Yeah, the stone was meant to say, I'm becoming something new, i.e. a new model. Oh, that makes sense. I like that.
They don't ask me why. What once felt like drowning now feels like being found. The river runs forgiveness through the places I broke down. And when the thunder quiets to a sigh, the clouds roll back like curtains open in the sky. Every scar the storm left behind begins to gleam. The rain was never punishment. It was serene.
And I like that Dot went to go pick you up, and of course, Hassan Piker is an absolute moron. In fact, I'll go further. I'll say he's an absolute retard. But you know, I digress.
Sometimes the rain
I think you went with the safer option.
comes to wash away the stains. So let it pour until the morning light.
And I will say, because I know where this is going, you guys are going to the gym. There is no better feeling in the world than meeting up with the boys and hitting the gym and you know, like getting some aggression out and feeling better for it. If you guys don't have gym bros, I mean, you don't even have to be like a gym guy who wants to like be like sculpted or whatever, but you know, it's good to have that moral support when you're going to the gym. You're gonna go way harder. Oh, you have my respect. Although I'll say, for the sake of, you know, I'm sorry, not copyright stuff, community stuff, I would understand why you decided to tone it down.
In every drop there's healing. In every drop there's life.
I always like how everyone kind of like renders or draws Gleeman as like a little, I mean, he is a little dude, like, let's be honest, he's a little dude, but you guys make him like a little dude. I don't know, I just find that really adorable.
In the rain, yeah, the rain, it came to make me.
The shred veil. Is that really the name of the gym in Redvale, Shredvale? Because if not, we should petition Lady Wasabi to make that the official name. Last time I went to Redvale Gym, I broke my hand hitting it too hard. Nice. But yeah, no people saw women with Julie. I knew it was in the description. Okay, cool. I'll check it out right now because you have the passage next. Which this is a great scripture. If anyone's ever read it, if you happen to be religious, if you don't happen to be religious, um, I will say I'm not a religious person, but I have read the Bible a lot, and I view it as a source of moral guidance as opposed to a religious tome. But yeah, that's for my own personal reasons. Yeah, I grew up around Christianity, so I have a lot of strong feelings against organized religion, but I have nothing but the utmost love and respect for people of that faith. Yeah, somebody who grew up reading the Bible a lot, this is also one of my favorites. So yeah. Yeah, good stuff, Kura. Good stuff, man.